Hello everyone, this is Dmitry from Galileosky and we continue getting familiar with the Configurator application. In previous video we started learning about tracking device settings and discussed the security tab. In this video we will learn about settings on the data transmission tab. Start the configurator, go to settings and open the necessary tab. The first parameter on this page, terminal ID, can be used as an alternative unique device ID in monitoring software instead of IMEI. This solution is rarely used and mostly applied when the data is sent according to the EGTS protocol. Galileosky tracking devices allow you to send the data to one or two servers at the same time. My device is equipped with the Wi-Fi unit, so I can identify one of the servers as the hub or Galileosky Wi-Fi device in the data collector mode. When I do so, the IP address of the server is set automatically, but the port still must be set manually and it should be the same as the port of the server where the data should be sent. In addition to the address and the port of the server, you can choose one of the protocols, TCP or UDP. The TCP protocol used by default, and it also allows you to enable TSL-SSL encryption with the server certificate. You can choose the necessary data transmission protocol for each server individually. For example, you can send the device to set the data according to the common Galileosky protocol to the main server and Galileosky protocol with compression for the secondary server. Please note that when you change the protocol, you need to apply settings and restart the device. Before applying any protocol instead of common Galileosky protocol, please make sure that the new protocol is supported by your platform. Galileosky 10 and Galileosky 7X devices allow you not to send the data to the Wi-Fi hub device if the data was already sent to the server via the GSM channel directly. By default, the primary and the secondary servers are two independent servers, and the device must send a copy of the archive to both servers. Yet, in case the parameter is activated, the device considers both servers as the same server with different data transmission channels. This way, you can avoid receiving the same data on the server twice. Wi-Fi setting group allow you to set the way how the tracking device utilize the Wi-Fi data transmission channel. You can send the Wi-Fi access point settings and the client or the data collector mode. There is no way for me to provide all the necessary information regarding the Galileosky Wi-Fi solution in scope of the short single video. So I strongly recommend you to check that short tutorial where you can learn all you need about getting the telematic data in areas without the GSM coverage. You can find the link in the description for this video. The most Galileosky trackers allow you to install two SIM cards, but all devices are equipped with the single GSM unit. It means that only one SIM card can be active at the same time. For each SIM card, you usually need to set APN settings, which should be provided by your GSM operator, and also set the way how the device works with SIM card or SIM cards. You can set the device to work with only one of SIM slots or switch between SIM cards in case it's impossible to send the data to the server with the current SIM card active. In some cases, it can be useful to set the list of preferred and forbidden networks for your SIM cards and set the mode switch according to the list of mobile operators codes. This way, the device will choose the active SIM card based on the list of available networks, which can be applied, for example, when your vehicle travels between countries. Networks must be added to the list as MCC plus MNC, or Mobile Country Code plus Mobile Network Code. For example, MTS operator in Russia is represented as MCC 250 and MNC 01, so the operator code is 25001. We recommend paying attention while using the SIM card's operation mode, because in case of wrong settings, the device will most probably have communication issues and always be offline. In most cases, it would mean that you can fix this issue only locally via the USB cable, which could be time-consuming and costly process. By default, tracking devices receive the information about exact date and time from GPS satellites together with coordinates. In case the GNSS signal is not available for some reason, for example, when the GNSS antenna is damaged or the vehicle is on underground parking, the tracker will request the date and time information from one of the exact time servers with the GSM channel. You can disable the GSM-based time synchronization feature if necessary. All Galileosky 10 devices and 7X devices with the firmware 47 and higher are equipped with the automatic crash report system. This tool is triggered only in case of the firmware crash, which can be caused by the firmware issues or some external factors. We recommend setting this feature enabled. This way, our development team will learn about the firmware issues as soon as possible and will also receive all the necessary details to start working on fixes. This feature will also be helpful when investigating firmware crashes caused by external factors. It will be easier for the support team to investigate the issue. In any case, this feature was developed to make Galileosky devices better. As I said, the additional traffic appears only in case of crashes and the feature is dormant while the device works properly. We discussed all available settings on the Data Transmission tab. It was Dmitry with you. See you in the next video.